We are going to learn about problem sum on AP. That is, sums are missing. That is, number are missing, sum is given, extreme term and in terms. That we are going to see. So the statement is like that: find four numbers in AP such that their sum is 32. That is first condition. Their product of means, that is second and third term, and exceed by the product of extreme. Extreme means first term and fourth term by 32. So let's start with the answer. Let the required four terms in AP is a minus 3d, a minus d, a plus d, a plus 4d. So according to first condition, their sum is 36. Means a minus 3d plus a minus d plus a plus d plus a plus 3d. So here like term with opposite sign, so minus d plus d cancel out. Minus 3d plus 3d, that is cancel out. So 4a is left out, that is a plus a plus a plus a. 4a is equal to 36. So a is equal to application of linear equation, 36 divided by 4 is equal to 9. So value of a is 9. Now by second condition, means the product is extreme term by 32. Means the second condition says that the product of means, that is third term and second term, and product of extreme means first term and fourth term, exceed by 32. So that is a minus d, a plus d is equal to a minus 3d plus 3d. So we are using here difference of the square, that is a square minus d square is equal to a square minus 3d square plus 32. So that is a square minus d square is equal to a square minus 9d square plus 32. A square cancel out, minus d square plus 9d square. According to linear equation, we transpose the side, is equal to 32. So 8d square is equal to 32. So d square is equal to 32 divided by 4. So d square is equal to 4. So d is equal to plus or minus 2. Now we have to alternate. Value of a is 9. What value of b is 2. That is plus 2 and minus 2. The first condition we are taking that a is equal to 9 and d is equal to 2. So a minus 3d is equal to 9 minus 6 is equal to 3. A minus d is equal to 9 minus 2 by substitution method is equal to 7. A plus d is equal to 9 plus 2 by substitution method is equal to 11. A plus 3d is equal to 9 plus 6 is equal to 15. So the terms in AP are 3, 7, 11 and 15. According to the condition, a is equal to 9 and d is equal to minus 2. Now we are taking a is equal to 9 and d is equal to minus 2. So a minus 3d is equal to 9, negative become positive, plus 6 is equal to 15. A minus d is equal to 9, negative become positive, that is 3. So 9 plus 3 is equal to 11. A plus d is equal to a minus 2. Sorry, 9 minus 2 is equal to 7. A plus 3d is equal to 9, 3 to the 6 minus, that is 9 minus 6 is equal to 3. So in this condition the terms are 15, 11, 7 and 3. The digits of 3-digit number formed an AP is, and their sum is 15. The number obtained by reversing the order of the digit exceed the original number by 594. So find out the original number. So we start to solve this sum by supposing. Let us suppose the digits at 100 place, the tens place and the unit place are original number are a minus d, a and a plus d. So the original number become 100 a minus d plus 10 a plus a plus d, that is 100 tens and in place. It is not necessary you are taking supposition a minus d. Instead of a minus d you take a plus d, it will never affect your answer. So according to first condition, what says that first condition? Sum of digit is 15. So sum of digit, that is a minus b, a and a plus b is equal to 15. So a minus b, a plus b cancel out, that is 3a is equal to 15. So a is equal to 15 divided by 3 by the linear application of linear equation is equal to 12. Now new number, after interchanging, reversing the digits. So new number we are getting here, we are interchanging the digits, that is unit goes to 100 and 100 goes to unit, hence remaining as it is. So that is 100 bracket a plus b plus 10a plus a minus b. Now what is second condition? The number obtained by the reversing the order of the digits is exact the original number by 594. So new number minus original number is equal to 594. So our new number is, that is 100 bracket a plus b plus 10a plus a minus b minus 100 a minus b plus 10a plus a plus b is equal to 594. Now we are applying distributive property. So 100 into a, that is 100a, 100 into d plus 10a as it is, this term as it is, minus, then we have to put a bracket again here, distributive property, that is 100a minus 100d, 10a as it is, and 594 also as it is. Now here minus sign is there, so we have to change all the sign of inside the term in the bracket. So this all 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 terms we carry forward as it is, that is 100a plus 100d plus 10a plus a minus b. Now here minus sign, so we have to change the sign, that is minus plus become minus 100a, minus become plus 100d, this plus become minus 10a, plus become minus a, plus become minus b is equal to 594. Now you see that all the a terms, that is 100a minus 100a cancel out, 10a minus 10a cancel out, plus a minus a cancel out. So here 100 plus 100, that is 100d plus 100d, that is 200, minus d that is 2d, so 200 minus 2d is equal to 190, d is equal to 594. So according to linear equation, d is equal to 594 divided by 196 is equal to 3. So now in original number, the 100 place is a minus b. So a is equal to 5 and d is equal to 3. So a minus b is equal to 5 minus 3, 2. Tens place is a. So that is 5. And unit place is a plus b, that is 5 plus 3 is equal to a. So new number is equal to 2 into 100 plus 10 into 5 plus a. So 200 plus 5, that is according to expansion, plus 50 plus 8, that is 258 is the original number. Thank you for watching this video.